Welcome to Phulwari Education. Lesson 5. Sound of vowel I. Fish. Lip. Bike. Lid. Sip. Nip. Let's read aloud. IP. Dip. Tip. Dip. Pip. Lip. Nip. In. Din. Fiend. Kin. Sin. Tin. Win. ID. Bid. Did. Hid. Kid. Lid. Rid. IB. Nib. Rib. Bib. Jib. Dib. Fib.
Like, share and subscribe.